I'll tell you in a sec, as soon as I get a look at him. Yep, definitely. Definitely. He's big, eh? Quick, man. He's a mate of this fish. Quick, 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 quick. Fuck. Hooks, eh? No, because if it kicks and it comes off, then I've lost it. No, it's alright. I'm gonna have to get you to get me a photo, man. And then...
I've got more than a photo.
90. No, she's a meter. Just pull me closer. Light on top of it. Go that way. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, about there. 90. 90. Let's say 94.
Yep.
Okay. Just want to get this hook out first.
You want a knife?
No.
Oh no, you got to
Just want to get... Oh, you fucking big slut. That really hurt. Yeah, I'll cry about it later.
Fucking hell.
Told you they were on, eh? I nearly got it. Nearly got it. Just hang on, don't kick, big girl, don't kick. Oh, call me dick. Okay, I'll get you to just take a video sideways though. Oh, she's fucking free. Oh well, I'm carved up now, I might as well get more carved up. Just make sure my head's in there too. We good? Mm-hmm. All right. Just make sure she's all good before we let her go away. There she goes. Thank you, baby. There you go, mate. That's how it's done. Oh! See that? Throw your popper there, just behind me. Just to the right a bit more. Just to the right a little bit. There's a good one, eh? Fuck, that was a big fish. There was like a little... There was a little fish on the top doing circles. He must have hit it already and he was half fucked. And he just come up and smacked it. Actually, I would have got that on camera. Sweet. Oh, just hit me. Fully just smacked me. Well, this is why Buddha come up, so we could get him onto a nice codfish. That's well and truly big enough for you, mate, I reckon.
Pretty good.
And it's the first one on these new design little vibes that I make. So purple does the trick.
Nailed it.
Awesome. Come up for a look and then he's going to go berserk, so make sure your drag isn't too crazy.
You fucking slut.
No.
Fuck, that was big.
You're not. Fuck.
Fucking Jesus.
Look at your shit not come undone.
Handled the other fish.
The other fish wasn't a meter.
Fuck.
Yep. Oh, fuck. Just got busted off on the rock. You're kidding. Did the lot. Knew he had a good little spot going on here. Just bumped into a few. It's a tree or something. There's a little, just, there's some snags I've been just bumping over here. Don't know how big this fish is yet. He is a little fella. Nice little fella. Well, this is the smallest cod I've caught on a wobblegum so far. And he wasn't getting off. There we go. I reckon he's a 55, 60-ish sort of model. Very cool. It's a record for the wobblegum, the smallest one I've caught yet on him.